Hi there, it's Karen at Corrie Paper Crafts here. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in central Scotland. Welcome back to another Simple Sundays project, and today I'm going to show you how I made this really easy bookmark. Very easy to make. All you need is one pack of card, one pack of paper, one stamp set and one ink colour again, and whichever ribbon you choose to put on the top. So I've used soft sea foam cardstock for the backing for this bookmark, and it's back to the Garden Lane DSP, which I absolutely love. And I've stamped tone on tone. The daisy is stamped in soft sea foam onto soft sea foam cardstock. So very easy to make again if you don't have very many supplies. The idea came to me when I was buying books for my mum's birthday, which is coming up soon, and I thought I would make her a bookmark to go with those as well, and I might give her one like this. So I'm going to show you how I made it. I forgot little Corrie. So I've already cut and punched my piece of cardstock, which I see I've managed to bend a little bit at the top. So I cut a piece of soft sea foam card that measured 7 inches long by 2 inches wide, and I used my scalloped top punch to shape the top of it. And then I cut a piece of DSP which measures 6 7/8 by 1 7/8. Is that right? Yes. So that it just fits nicely. Go and let me just check the length of that again, because I think I told you a lie there. It was a lie. It's 6 1/4 long by 1 7/8 wide, and that just gives you a little border around it. Now I attached this paper with snail, and it's a little bit squint. So I'm actually going to use my glue to attach this designer series paper, and I've already punched out my daisies as well. So these were from the new Daisy Lane stamp set, and it's this daisy here that I used, and I punched those out using the new medium daisy punch. It's very dull here, and we've had some rain and thunder and lightning, so I hope you can see that, but I have shown it in a previous video. So I'm going to show you how I put it together. As I said, I'm going to use, yay, more glue. I'm going to use a little bit of glue to pop this together this time, rather than my snail. And I just want to make sure that I get it close to the edge, but without it squishing out. And that gives me some time to put it on and to wiggle it around if it does go a little bit squint. So I'm just looking to make an even border all the way round on both sides, and top and bottom as well. I think I'll just move it over a little bit. That looks better, I think. So I'll just make sure that I press that down now. And although I've washed my hands, I don't want to keep rubbing it and make it dirty, so I'll just bring in my paper folder and give it a press down in the back. And that's my paper stuck on. That looks straight enough to me, certainly better than that one. And then all I did with my daisies, which I can see I've not punched awfully straight, the light is terrible and I'm struggling to see even with my glasses on. I just used a mini glue dot on the back of one of the daisies, and then I just offset it on top of the other one, just making sure it's all central before I press it down. That, oops, not quite Karen, that looks about right there, that'll do. And then I added another glue dot, that's all I did. I might add 2 actually, because this one's okay but it is a little bit flimsy, so I'll maybe fix that later. But because one daisy is on top of the other, you don't actually see if the mini glue dots stick out a little bit. And then I just added it roughly in, oops, in the middle there or thereabouts. And then the ribbon that I used was the polka dot tulle ribbon, and this is in Whisper White. And I'll just cut a length about there, I think. And then popped this through from the back to the front. Looped it through here. And again, like I've said in a previous video, just be very careful when you, oops a daisy, we've got all twisted here, how did I manage that? Be careful when you pull it through because it does stretch quite a bit, this ribbon. Oh, that didn't work very well, Karen, take that out and start again. That wasn't very straight at all, it's got itself twisted somehow. So let's try that again and not twist it this time. That's better. So just carefully pull it until it fixes itself round the top, and then I'm just going to cut these, just cut them together. Oops. And that gives us our tags at the top. Well, I'm all fingers and thumbs today. There we are. And that's your bookmark made. Really easy, doesn't take long at all. Hope you liked it. I'll be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Until I see you again, take care. Bye bye.